Hey guys, welcome. This is a quick guide on how you can insert a SIM card and a microSD card on the Xiaomi Redmi 5. This phone comes with a hybrid SIM slot, so you cannot use two SIM cards and a microSD card together, but in case you wanted to use two SIM cards together, this is how you can do it. Firstly, the SIM card slot is present on the left side of the phone and that slot has to be removed out. It's a tray that would come out when you insert the pin and press it hard, and you'll see that this tray can be pulled out now. So there are two slots here. What you need to understand is that this is how it will work as a dual SIM. You'll need your SIM cards to be nano SIMs, and nano SIMs are these ones. These are the smallest size of the SIM cards right now. You can see this is the first SIM slot, and in this you'll have to see the proper shape or the cutout here and place it this way. So this is how you'll insert the SIM card, and along with that, if you wanted to insert the microSD card on the SIM 2 slot. So the second one is what we call a hybrid slot, and here's how you can place the microSD card. Once you place it, you'll have to see that it is properly aligning there and adjusting there. So this is how you placed it. Now for every phone the functioning and the placement is different, but here you'll have to place it this way. The screen should be on the front, and here the SIM card information should be on the front, and you can just insert it, and then it might need a restart for the SIM card to work, but then you can at least see that the microSD card, okay, both of them worked without a restart, and this is how they properly are inserted now. But then sometimes when you want to use two SIM cards together, the first one you have already seen that the first one can be placed as usually you do on the first SIM slot. But if you don't want to use a microSD card because it's a hybrid slot and you wanted to use two SIM cards together, you can place this SIM card vertically here. Just like how you had placed on the first SIM slot, you can place it here as well, and this is how you can place it. Ensure that this mark here probably sits alongside that, and there'll be a small gap on the top, and there'll be a big gap towards here as well. So this is how the second SIM can be placed. So this was the quick guide on inserting the SIM card and the microSD card on the Xiaomi Redmi 5.